What is going on, everybody? So today we're doing another backtesting video in my series, Am I Profitable? And today I would like to start this video with a verse from the Bible. It is Psalms 1:1, and it goes, "How blessed is the person who does not walk in the advice of the wicked, nor stand in the path of sinners, nor sit in the seat of scoffers." Um, I'm just gonna let that sit to whoever's listening. Psalms 1:1, if you want to look it up and read it yourself, and take away what you take away from that quote. And something I take away from it is just to be yourself, be confident in yourself. Don't listen to other people that put you down. Don't listen to other people that are attached to sin, attached to the money, the lust for money, the lust for women, or if you're a girl, the lust for male. Don't fall into that. Stand with God, stand strong, repent for your sins, ask for forgiveness, all that good stuff. In that first sentence, just don't take advice from the wicked, because anything you do in life, there's going to be people that, basically hate on you, put negative energy to you, tell you not to do this, tell you not to do that. Oh, this is like, don't go into that, especially in trading. You tell people you trade, and instantly the negativity will flow, like, oh, that's gambling, oh, you're gonna lose all your money, oh, this is that, oh, you don't know what you're doing, that whatever, right? Don't listen to them. Be yourself, believe in yourself, and just continue on your path. And that's what I wanted to start this video with today. So now let's get into our week of data. So we got ChatGPT, give me a random week, Saturday through Sunday in the last 2 years. And then we're gonna plug in an FX replay. We're gonna see, am I profitable on that week? We got Saturday, February 17th to, that's where I messed up. Okay, let's retype this then and just switch Sunday to Saturday. I did just wake up from a nap, so we can just say that's why. All right. Here we go. All right, we can pick either November 10th, 24, or October 20th. I'm pretty sure we've already done some back testing in October, so we'll go over to November. We're going to November 10th to November 16th. Let's see if I'm profitable. All right, so we're in FX replay. YouTube video 3, 50K balance, NQES, bang, 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 initial. Let's go right here. We got to go to 24, and in November 10th, and then same thing here, bang, 24, November 16th. All right, let's see how we do. Currently, we are doing pretty dang good, so I'm hoping we can continue this. And then let's go to New York session. Bang, okay. Okay. Starting on the 4-hour time frame, we can see we're like super bullish. We're starting to stall out here. We get this DVL wick. That just stands out to me. We're super in a premium. Let's look at the daily candles. Yeah, we're like just super premium. So we're at all-time highs. I think. It looks, yeah, we're at all-time highs. Okay, so we're at all-time highs. So we want to be longing. But if we have narrative to short, we have narrative short. So we're super extended, right? We are freaking just pumping. So let's go to the 4-hour. It looks like we have some slanted lows. We're starting to stall out, starting to have some rejections lower. Like I said, I do want to still be taking longs. There's a 4-hour gap right here. Little baby 4-hour. The 1-hour time frame. Let's see what's going on here. Starting to have some bearish narrative. Ooh, and we have this NWOG. So this could be a key place where we target. Bang, like that. That's the NWOG. So we'll definitely type NWOG here. That's the 4-hour. I kind of want to target that end wall. Let's see what yes is doing on the 4 hour. Where are you, buddy? Okay, so here's ES. ES is pretty similar. Whoa. Super extended as well, starting to stall out, generate some lows. We have a nice 4 hour gap, fresh 4 hour gap right here. 1 hour time frame. There's no, oh, there is. Okay, there's an NWOG as well on the 1 hour time frame. We could see that get filled. With this hourly gap right here, we could see get a reaction off of. But I kind of want to target that NWOG, to be honest with you guys. Even though we're at all-time highs, but we'll see what price gives us coming into the day. Yeah, bang, we're about to so we're inversing this. Yeah, okay. So let's go with 15-minute time frame, a little bit more internal. See if we have any 15-minute gaps. We do. If we come up and hit this 15-minute gap, I could see a short to that NWOG. Yeah, it's kind of. This is a very weird PA, so gonna be very, very, you know. Ooh, okay. Bang, 4 hour gets hit, taking out some lows. 30-second inverse most likely. Yeah, very clean. Let's see. 5-minute time frame. What did ES do? Oh, ES manipulated higher. Okay. Yeah, manipulate. Okay, so ES did the opposite. So this is something I'm gonna sit out on. Both pairs did two different things. NQ manipulated lower, and now is looking to go higher, and ES manipulated higher, going lower. So I'm gonna think that NQ is going to go to this 15-minute gap. Once we hit it, we're gonna be looking for shorts. So if this plays, it plays, but it's something I don't want to be in. Yeah, we didn't. Good thing we did not take that. ES is now manipulated lower. What did it hit? A 1 hour? It did. Now this is something I'm looking to take. This gap right here. So because what did we do? We fill this NWOG. We hit this 1 hour. We hit the 4 hour. All-time bullish. If I get an inverse here, I'm going to take this all the way to that 15-minute gap. So it looks something like this. ES is in a 15-minute right now. But I don't really see that as an issue just because of what price is doing. We've hit an hourly on ES. We have all this narrative to go higher. And it already manipulated lower. So it's looking like we probably SMT'd as well. Yep, we have an SMT. So if I get this inverse, I will be taking it. And we went lower. So didn't get that inverse. Fill that and walk some more. Let's see if we hit anything else. Nothing. If anything, we might want to just continue lower. Let's see if we get some legs higher. We're still in these key levels, so we could still see a trade higher. And let's just see what happens. ES fully manipulated now. Stalling out. 952. This is just chop now. Okay, now we got some bullishness. We have an unfilled 15 to target. That 1 hour close, super bearish. We still have all these lows to target. I don't really want to be taking a long here. We're not hitting anything new. Oh, there's a baby deer outside. Let's see if I can. I don't know if you guys see it, but he's right there chilling. Little baby deer. So that's cool. But oh well, I just changed the color. Hopefully it doesn't look weird because I just somehow changed the color of the camera and I don't even know how. This is probably gonna play to the 15. and then we might get an expansion lower. If not, probably just a no trade day. We're getting this bullish move. We have this probably 30-second. Nothing. We have like nothing besides like CISDs. We're ready to move higher though, that's for sure. ES looks really good to clear out to the 15 as well. This is a very, very manufactured long, but man, I wish it was in my rules to take this, but yeah. Do we hit anything? 5 minute probably. We hit a 5 minute. We hit a 15 now. We'll probably just, we'll chop and expand to this 15. Bang. So TP would have been smashed if I just traded off of discretion and how the markets freaking move, but just there's nothing valid there. But now we could see a good valid short. Go to the 1 hour, make sure we have draws intact. Yeah, we do. There's more NWOG for that, for ES to fill as well. I knew that was going to play. But we hit this 15. ES is in a 15. We've actually generated some good structure for short, so let's see if we get something. Yes, it's the second 15. Trading into this 15. Let's delete all these. So, two things that happened that I wanted to see. This M will get filled. Didn't get any trades to it. But now we can target this remaining low resistance to this swing right here. Okay. Just measuring out like EQ and stuff. But let's see if we get some ES way higher now. Man, that was so manufactured, but it was just no valid entry. We're in this 5 minute. We need to see this 5 minute get inverse to take a short like that. 15 minute close, really good wick. What do we have below us? This low resistance. Our high time frame draw. This 5 minute just closed as it inverse, both pairs inverse. So I mean, this is my strategy. I'm gonna take this trade. 15 minute candle close on ES is really good. So I will take this short. I'm not a big fan of 5 minutes, but this is not a terrible trade, and it's my model. So bang. Plus NWOG, or ES still has its NWOG to fill, so do something like that, risking 500 to make 1100. So we got a nice little 2 RR, 2.2 RR. Let's see if this plays. Holy long trade. We're in it. We're still in this trade. Let's see if ES takes out this low. Nope, not yet. Okay. So it looks like 1-to-1's been hit, but bang. Okay. Trade idea played. Wow, that was a long trade though. I mean, bang, TP smashed. But wow, like look at that. We entered at 1040, got out at 1300, so I don't even know what that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 28 times 5, whatever that number is, what, like 120 or whatever? So 120 minutes, so 2-hour long trade. But who cares? We made $1,100 in 2 hours on that trade. Nice. All right, let's go the next day. Holy smokes. Nice. Okay. Let's go to the 4-hour here. We're now still chopping. We ended up taking out that swing low, like I said. starting to see some more bullishness. We can kind of see we're in this range GPA now, where we're just accumulating. So equilibrium is very important in this. Go to the 1 hour here. We're bullish now. We've inversed, so kind of like a PDI, but without the PDI. We've inversed. See how we inversed this bullish gap? Now we're inversing this bearish gap, right? Like we're just seeking and destroying here. So gonna be very, very kind of. Oh, this is looking awesome. Okay, this is looking great though. With all these stack lows, all I want to see is us literally just do this. Like this is A plus to me off rip. I can just see it. If that presents itself, because what we would take out all this accumulated highs hitting this 1 hour gap, which is also a 4 hour. Bang, and then we could just expect this to expand lower. Yeah, that's what I'd want to see. Let's go to yeah. I mean, let's see. If that happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That is what I want to see though. And we dump. Kind of figured that would happen too. Let's go to 4 hour. And yes. Yes is a little bit more bearish, and we are SMTing these lows. Okay. That gives me a little bit more of a bullish narrative. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. And we... Okay. Okay, 1 hour. We could just manipulate lower into a key level, but I just don't see any. Is there a 30-minute maybe? Yeah, there's nothing. We could just be seeking out equilibrium, which we're about to hit. Let's just see how we react off EQ. Do we hit it? Hold on. I mean, I wouldn't take a trade off this, but wow, my chart is crazy. No, we almost wicked it though. So we didn't even hit EQ. Let's see. A little Judas to where I wanted to take a short off of maybe. Ooh, we just SMT'd the highs. Okay, so now we're SMTing these highs. Man, there could be a short opportunity off this SMT. This 3-minute would need an inverse. I think it just did. I don't know. See, I like to see both pairs do manipulation. So it's like, this SMT is valid, and this trade's not bad. And I think I'm going to take it if it inverses and just re-enter if I get swept. It inversed. Not going to lie. It might not play just because it's an SMT. And both pairs didn't. We have equal highs in it. Took out a 30-minute. No, not even a 30-minute turn. Man, this is okay. This is worth the shot. We're gonna take this. This is another 2R. If I get reswept, I'm gonna re-enter anyways. I think we're gonna get reswept. Just because ES would, oh man, this looks so good. I'm gonna just rip this, see what happens. If I get swept, I get swept, and I'm gonna re-enter. Yeah. Okay. We got swept. That's fine, because now I can look for a re-entry. I kind of had a feeling we were gonna get reswept, but it was worth taking just because sometimes we can expand off of those SMTs like that. Yes, it's super choppy. I don't like that. Okay. 3-minute gap. 3-minute, maybe a 4-minute. Oh, where's my 4-minute? Okay. Now this is my A plus setup. There is this 4-minute. I had a feeling. See if this closes. Holy dumpage. What time is it? Okay, that's where that 4-minute closes. We'll rip this. Target this low. Save. Yeah, this is really good. I mean, just look how like beautiful this looks. ES is already dumping. Has all these lows though to take. We're SMTing those lows, but that doesn't matter. All these lows. This is a crazy move on ES if it plays full. So let's just see. 2 L's today? No? Dump? Alright, I'm going break even here. There's no point for us to go higher. We should just start flushing lower. These big trades like this, they just take forever. Whoa, dude. Oh my gosh, what time was that? It's already 11 as well. So yeah, it's good that I'm break even. Oh, ES took our draw. We should have paid attention, guys. That's why you got to pay attention. ES took our draw. So now we're SMTing these lows, and we're probably going to go break even. Man, oh man. I could just secure some profits. Literally, right on this candle is where we should have secured profits. We would have got our 1-to-1. But I mean, I probably wouldn't even hold a trade like this. Freaking another 2-hour trade. These trades are long. We'll just see what happens. Oh my gosh. Yes, take it. Pause. Alright, yes, come on. Alright, we hit TP. This is such a weird video because, like, I don't take trades like this long. Like, usually trades don't last this long for how I trade. And we just had two 2-hour long trades that played. But, wow. 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 That's just range GPA, though. I mean, just look at the higher time frame, right? We're just ranging. But you can kind of see how we had this PDI. We took out this high. We dumped, right? Pretty simple stuff. It just takes for just a long trade. I mean, how many points was this trade? 74 points. Like, yeah, this was a long trade, but that's just what you get in range GPA like this. So we'll take the win. We made back what we lost on that day plus extra. So super, super valid. Let's go to the next day. 4-hour. Still in this range GPA, but we are respecting this 4-hour gap, so I'm expecting us to be bearish a little bit longer. But we'll see. We are respecting this gap too. Still in that range GPA. Super hard P day to really trade in. We're inversing bearish, inversing bullish. Like, we're currently, yeah, this is, I love this so much. Okay. 4-hour time frame. And yes. Looks like we're SMTing these lows. No. Okay. I would like to see us start being bullish. Sorry, I woke up from a nap. I would like to see us bullish off this gap if we're going to continue this all-time highs push. We're in this 15-minute. Probably going to open at 30. Yeah. 30 minutes can open. Could see a trade higher off of that key level. Probably just target a 1-to-1 though. Just because of conditions. It looks like we had 8:30 news. Yeah, we had 8:30 news. So we might want to sweep out this low. This is an 8:30 data candle low. Let's see, and Q probably has it as well. So if we take out this low and we're in this 15, we get a trade higher, I'd be willing to take that. Take the low maybe. We're SMT now. I don't think ES hit the 15 yet. I mean, we already hit it pre-market, but there's that fresh 30-minute. I want to see ES hit it. Looks like a really good PDI. So if we get it, we get it, but There we go. Took out that low. Got our inverse. ES hit the 15. Got this 2-minute gap here. It's a 3-minute gap. Take this 3-minute if it inverses. Okay, and we're going lower. 1 hour time frame. Okay, we take this low. I could get along. Oh, we edge it. Oh, we're in an. Oh no, we're not. It's like a really small 1 hour gap, but start respect. Man, this looks really good. I don't know, but we edged. I just don't like that we edged this 4 hour interior low like that. That's so weird. Man, that's so weird. And we inverses 15. Yeah, I want to see NQ hit this. Then I'll get my long. Another. Yeah. Once it's 11, I'll get off. Yeah. Yeah. That's just a no trade day. Super choppy day. New York session. Next day. We're doing really good in this series. So it's a good thing because. But alright, anyways. Boom. Still consolidating on the higher time frame. So we're going to expect more of that in the lower time frame. This is one of the top. This is probably one of the, other than what we're doing now in real time with the war, at all-time highs price action in a war with chop and this and that. This is definitely the hardest PA you can really trade, is like this high time frame consolidation. Just because it's so seek and destroy. And there's no really, narrative. We're not really bullish or bearish. We're just both. We're just seeking and destroying. Mark out this key level down here. Looks like we just chopped for the rest of the day. Yeah, look at that. So we actually ended up expanding higher at like 11, 12. But anyways, let's see what we got here. We're respecting this 1 hour, so we have a 1 hour interior low below us, but we probably have a good 15-minute, 30-minute above us. Yep, 30 minutes gonna open here. We have 2 15 minutes here. This is looking like a bit of a PDI though. See what Yes has got going on. Yeah, we're in an hourly as well. Hourly internal low. 30 minutes gonna spawn in. 15 minutes gonna spawn. Okay. So got my 2 key levels marked out. Let's see what goes on. Bang. Judas. 2 minutes gonna be kind of annoying. Okay, that's probably a resweep. Let's see. S&T? Yep, S&T resweep. Okay. Yep, all right, and we're in. So ES is a lot farther lower, which sucks. We're gonna take this to this hourly internal low here. We're in this 15. We hit this second 15-minute gap right here. We're respecting it. We then reswept, put an S&T in like that. We just hit the second 15 on ES as well. We're expanding lower, so it just sucks that ES is so close to these draws, because we'll probably go break even on this trade. I gotta go break even once ES takes these because they're key levels, but we could just hold. I mean, we'll look at price and we'll see if we want to just hold or not. One hour. Yeah, I mean, let's just hope ES or NQ has a lot of distribution and we don't want to go break even. This is why I gotta go break even. which sucks a little bit. I have a feeling this is a break-even trade to a win. We're in a 5-minute. ES is taking out my draws. Let's just hope NQ dumps. Let's go. Bang. We do have to go break even there because ES takes out our draws, but that is how we do it. Another win on the books. Super, super A+ setup. Super simple, right? I mean, it's just set your conditions, you get your entry, you have your targets, you just bang. TP smashed. Let's go to our New York session. I think this is our last day. Let's see. 4-hour time frame. Whoa. Okay. This is looking like a no trade day. Whenever we have a dump like this overnight, 400-point overnight move, we're not really going to get good trades. We tend to consolidate a lot after these days. And if I was in the real life markets and I just had a week like this week where we took like 3 wins and 1 loss and we're up like chalk, I would probably just fade this day. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna fade and just see what happens. Yeah, I can just tell this is shit. We just continue lower. So I'll just get off. This day is done. So we'll look at the 1 hour. Like, look at the 1 hour. There's nothing in this. You're not hitting key levels. You're just dumping. And so that's cool. We ended the day like that. Let's get our statisticals. But yeah, what great kind of week of PA. I mean, it really showed how high time frame chop is super seek and destroy. And then we finally break out of that consolidation. We just dump. And how PA just doesn't clean up after that. So let's go over the analytics. We made $2,100 that week. We had a 75% win rate. Bang. We had 4 trades taken. We had 3 wins and 1 loss. And remember, that 1 loss, I even said, we probably get reswept on this. I'm still going to take this trade because I'll get my re-entry. What happened? Got swept out. Got my re-entry. Bang. Still had a winning day. So we'll have a full green P&L this week. Scrolling down. Bang. 1,100 on the first day. Nice 2RR. Second trade, we made 337. So that means we lost 500. Made about 800. You know, cancel out a little bit. Second trade, about 1.5, 1.4 RR there. Banged a beautiful trade. Another great week of price. I'm going to add up the last 3 sessions we've done together. I'm going to see how many trades I've taken, how many were winners, how many were losers, and what's my overall statistic looking like after just 3 weeks of data of my series. Am I profitable? Give me one moment. Okay, everybody, I've collected all the data off our 3 weeks that we have backtested together on video of Am I Profitable. Week 1, our P&L, we made $1,087. We had 2 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even, and a 66.67% win rate. That's not too shabby at all. We made some profits that week. Week 2, P&L, $2,329. We had 3 wins, 0 losses, 0 break evens, and we had a 100% win rate. That is just chef's kiss. Week 3, what we just did together today in this video, P&L wise, $2,158, 3 wins, 1 loss, 0 break evens, and our win rate was a 75%. So total of all that after 3 weeks, we've made $5,500. We've made $5,574. We have 8 wins, 2 losses, 1 break even, which gives us an 80% win rate. So I'll let you guys decide. Off the 3 weeks of data I've so far done, am I profitable? Drop it in the comments. Like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Deuces.